everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? So in today's video I'm going to do this super glam makeup using drugstore products only, which are my favorite. Now what is drugstore makeup? So usually we get confused by drugstore makeup and affordable makeup, but no, they're quite different. They're totally different, I would rather say, because drugstore makeup is which is available nearby your market or your store, nearby stores, while affordable makeup is makeup in a budget or a particular price range. So in today's video I'm going to do this super glam makeup look using my favorite drugstore products. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first product I'm going to use is a primer, and I'm using ColourPop Perfect Match Primer. This is an oil-free primer and this gives you a satin finish and also uneven texture. And like always, I'm going to apply it on my T-zone, especially where I have my open pores and especially where I tend to sweat a lot. So for foundation today I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is one of the best drugstore products I have come across. Also, if you see my old videos, you will know that how much I love this product. I keep on talking about this product a lot because it gives you a beautiful, smooth, natural finish, easy to blend, easy to apply, easily available as it is a drugstore product, of course. Next up for concealer I have with me is Fit Me Concealer. So I'll simply apply it in the inner corners of my eyes over here where I want to highlight, and over here because it will give me a lifted look. And I'm gonna use the same damp sponge to blend it. To set my base, I'm gonna use Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Again, this is one of the best drugstore product that is available. I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm gonna dab the powder all over my face to set the foundation and the concealer. So next comes bronzer or contour. For me, I always personally choose bronzer because when it comes to bronzer, it gives you a more chiseled look or tan look. And you can apply it all like entirely perimeter of your face and gives you a beautiful centered, and I can't even explain how good it is. But when it comes to contour, it's not that I don't like it, it's just that I don't prefer it because it cuts your fat and I don't think it is necessary. So for bronzer today I'm gonna use Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. So I'm gonna apply on the temple of my head, sides of my face over here, and I always drag it up until my cheek, so it will give you a nice blushed look. So my face makeup is almost done. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows right now, and for that I have with me is L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Expert. As you can see, the tip of the pencil is very thin, nicely and precise, and on top of that this is a very beautiful formula, easy to apply. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and now we will move on to my eye makeup. For eye makeup, there are actually a lot of options available that are drugstore, that are easily available, that are quite budget friendly. But today I have with me is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Why I have chosen this palette is because the formula is very good, easy to apply, very smooth, and on top of that the color payoff is actually very good. So I'm going to start with this shade right here, and I will apply it all over my eyelid. Next we'll take this shade over here and apply it on the edges only. Now with the help of a clean brush, I'm going to blend the edges of the brown shade. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use a Faces Canada Magnet Eye eyeliner. This is my current favorite, and there are actually a lot of products which are very good easily available on the drugstore, and also they are budget friendly, but this is my current favorite. Next, I'll apply the same dark shade under my lower lash line. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna use Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. This is again one of my favorite drugstore product because it gives a nice volume to your lashes. Next up, for my waterline, I'm gonna use Colorbar Kajal. So this one is actually very pigmented and stays for a long time. And we are almost done with our eye makeup. Now I'm gonna quickly pop on some falsies off camera and I'll be back. So I'm back with my eyelashes on. Now I'm gonna talk about blushes. So basically I'm not a person who applies blushes a lot. Rather I don't really apply blushes most of the time. But I still have a favorite, which is Maybelline Master Blush. Why I love this palette is because it has 3 different shades over here for blushes, and it has a highlighter, so you have more options in one palette. So that's the reason why I love this palette. And I'm gonna apply this light peachy shade over here. This is also a very pigmented palette, so if you are new or you are a beginner, make sure you apply a very tiny amount. You take a very tiny amount, then you slightly build up according to your choice. Now we will move on to lipstick. For lipstick, we actually have a variety range of lipstick that are available drugstore, and they are superb. So I have picked 3 of my current favorite. One is from Faces Canada. This is a dark maroon red sort of a shade. Next one is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is a beautiful nude shade. And I have this Nykaa Paint Stick. This is a beautiful mauve shade. And I think I'm gonna go with this Faces Canada lipstick, which is a dark maroon red sort of a shade. And finally, to set the makeup, I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. One more makeup fixture which I absolutely love, and it is a drugstore product which is from Wet n Wild. This is a great product, easily available, but currently I'm going to use this one. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know that in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sur. See you next time.